Hello, my dear kids. Namaskar, everyone. I hope everyone safe and sound at your home. I am Dhanustha ma'am from Neura Global Kids. Okay, so before we start our session, let's pray to God. So, everyone, be ready. Join your hands, close your eyes, be straight. त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव त्वमेव सर्व मम देव देव निजा श्रितानां शकलार्दिहन्त सधर्मभक्तिरमनं विधाता दाता सुखानां मनुष्येप्सितानां तनोतु कृष्णखिलमङ्गलं तनोतु कृष्णखिलमङ्गलम्. Now 3 times Om. Om. Take a deep breath and relax. Rub your palm first and then put them on your eyes. Apply on your face. Let's do one more time, kids. Rub your palm first. Very good. And then put them on your eyes. And open your eyes. Slowly. How to feel? You feel relaxed? Yes, very good. So, namaskar everyone. Welcome to all our LKG Maths Montessori Methodology presentation. So, everyone, be ready with your beautiful smile. Okay, kids. In a previous video, we have to learn already different shapes with different size. So, let's start our today's presentation. First of all, we have to arrange all the cards. And then we have to arrange in a second line. And the last one. Okay, kids, you can see here different size of circle. Let them with this presentation with this circle. Okay, now I will take this circle and put it here and put it here. So this one is thin line circle. This one is thin line circle. Let them put it here. Yes, and then now we will put it here. Okay, now we will put it here, and then this is thick line of circle. This is thick line circle, and the last is this one whole circle. This one whole circle. Kids, now you can see here circle has no side, no circle. Circle has, no side and no corner. round and round, round and round. Now we move on another circle. This one is thin line of circle. This one is thin line of circle. Now you can see here kids, this one is circle but with thin line, and now this one is thick line circle. This one is thick line circle. Now you can see here kids, okay, and this is whole circle. This is whole circle. Now you can see here, circle has no corner, no side, and round and round, round and round. Now I will take another circle. This one is thin line of circle. This one is thin line of circle. And then this one is thick line of circle. This one is thick line of circle. This one is thick line. This one is thick line. And this one, yes, this one whole circle. This one whole circle. You can see here kids, and circle has no corner, no side. Circle has no corner, no side, and round. Now I will take another circle. This one thick ya thin? Thick ya thin? Yes, I knew it. You all are learned very well. So this one is thin line of circle. You can see here kid, this one is a thin line, and this one is thick line of circle. Thick line of circle. And this one is whole circle. This one is whole circle. Now you can see here, circle has no side, no corner, round and round. Now we can take another circle. This one is thin line of circle. This one is thin line of circle, and then this one is, yes. So this one is thick line of circle, okay, and the last, this one is, yes, whole circle. Kids, you can see here are different size of circle, This one is a small, this one is a small. You can see here kids, this one is a small with thin line. This one is a, yes, small also but with thick line, and this one is a whole circle. This one is a whole circle. So this one is a small circle, and this one is a big circle. Comparatively other circle, this one is a small and this one is a big circle. Okay kids. So here is also thick line with, yes, small circle. Here is, you can see here kid, here is thick line with small circle, and here is a thick line but big circle, and this one is whole circle with small circle. And you can see here in this line, comparatively other circle, this one is a big circle with whole circle. So kid, now you understood. Here today we learned different size of circle with different line of circle, different line. Here is a thin line, here is a thick line of circle, and here is a whole circle. Here is a whole circle. So I hope you understood this topic very well. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Namaskar.